Hi there, my name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today, I'm going to answer one of our most common customer questions, which is how do I adjust the height of my spit? And I'll let you know why it even matters. The reason why it's so important to be able to adjust the height that your meat sits over the charcoal is for heat regulation. So when you're cooking with charcoal, the only way that you can regulate your temperature is by either raising the meat further away from the heat source or lowering it towards the heat source. And that's why it's so important to be able to have that flexibility to move your skewer up or down. Now this is a Cyprus spit. On a Cyprus spit, they typically have a lever style height adjustment. To adjust the height on a Cyprus spit, simply unlock the locking mechanism and then raise and lower using the handle. Locking it back in place when you find your ideal height. On a more traditional spit, you need to adjust the height one side and the other independently. Now they'll typically have some sort of screw or fastener on the side. What you need to do is loosen off that fastener, allow the skewer to drop, and then tighten the fastener once again. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll catch you in the next video.